So kung bago ka pa lang sa channel ko, huwag kalimutang mag-like and subscribe.
So for today's video, pag-aaralan naman natin ang tips and tricks on multiplying any numbers by 5. Okay, so for this method, magkakaiba yung ating process. Depende kung even or odd yung ating given number. Okay, so tuturo ko sa inyo both paano gagawin kung add or paano gagawin kung even yung ating number. So we have here, yung first example natin is an even number. So we have 96 times 5. Ang gagawin lang natin pag even yung ating given, we will divide it by 2. Okay, so 96 divided by 2, that is 48. And then, lalagay natin yung 48 dito sa taas at lalagay lang natin ng 0 sa dulo. So, 96 times 5, that is equivalent to 480. Okay. So, paano naman kung add yung ating given? Okay, so like here, 57 times 5. Madali lang din. Minus tayo ng 1. Okay, sa ating given. And we get 56. Okay, and divided by 2. Kasi isa na siyang even ngayon. So, we get 28. At ito lang din yung pinagkaiba niya. Okay, so, sa nauna nating process, so instead of 0, we add 5 sa dulo. Okay, so 57 times 5 and we get 285. Okay, so next example, we have here an even number. So 64 times 5. Okay, so same process lang for even numbers. I-divide lang natin yan sa 2. So 64 divided by 2 is equal to 32. And to get the final answer, kunin natin yung 32 and just add 0. So 64 times 5 is equivalent to 320. Okay. Next example, ito naman, add number. Okay, so we have 83 times 5. Okay, so to get that, we minus 1. So we'll get 82. And then divided by 2 and we get 41. Okay. So, akit natin yung 41 dito, and because this is an odd number, yung given natin is an odd number, mag-a-add lang tayo ng 5 sa dulo. So, 83 times 5 is equivalent to 415. Okay, so next example, we have 448 times 5. So, this is an even number. So, same process pa rin ng gagawin natin. So, 448 divided by 2 and we get 4, 2, 2, so 224. Okay, so, lagyan natin yung 224 dito and we just add 0 because this is an even number. So, ang sagot natin, 448 times 5, that is 2,240. Okay, next example, add number naman tayo. Okay, so this is an add number. Okay, so magma-minus muna tayo ng 1. Okay, so 865 minus 1 is 864 divided by 2. Okay, and we get 2, 3, 4. So, angat natin dito yung 432. Okay? And since this is an odd number, ang i-add natin sa dulo is the number 5. Okay, so ang sagot natin, 865 times 5 is equivalent to 4,325. So, subukan naman natin sa 4-digit numbers. Okay, so we have here 1,381 times 5. This is an odd number. So, 8 here, so magma-minus tayo ng 1. Okay, or subtract 1. So, we get 1,380. Divide natin yan sa 2. And we get 690. Okay, so angat natin yan dito. 690. And since we are multiplying an odd number, maglalagay tayo ng 5 sa dulo. Okay, so 1,381 times 5 is equivalent to 6,905. Next example natin, we have 1,482 times 5. Okay, so this is an even number. So, ang gagawin lang natin, i-divide lang natin yan sa 2. So, 1,482 divided by 2 is equivalent to, okay, 741. Okay, so 741, lagay natin dito. Oops. Lagay natin yung 741. And then, since we are multiplying an even number, lalagay natin ng 0 sa dulo. So, the answer, 1,482 times 5 is equivalent to 7,410. Ang dali lang, 'di ba? So I hope marami kayong natutunan sa video na ito. If you like this video, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.